Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your York air conditioner in 2026. Now, before starting the reset process, you need to first of all turn off your thermostat. So this is going to prevent the air conditioner from trying to restart while you are resetting the system. After doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just simply switch off the power of the outdoor unit, and then you just have to simply leave the power off for about 5 minutes so that the control board can completely reset. While you are waiting, you can just simply take a quick look at the outdoor unit as well. You can remove any of the leaves, dirt or debris around the condenser in order to make sure that the airflow isn't restricted when the system starts again. Now, after the time duration of about, let's say, 10 minutes, you just have to turn everything back on. Then you need to wait for further 1 minute, and then you can just simply set your thermostat on the cool mode, and you can just simply lower the temperature for a few degrees below the current room temperature. And finally, you can just simply wait for 3 to 5 minutes in order to basically start the AC to basically start cooling. So that's how you can restart your air conditioner. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.